Come out of the caves of time immemorial, unrealistic projections were put upon the frame of the physical. This mystic will not dismiss the beauty for the perfection that is left, and the goodly potential of fame. The kiss of a causal separates from dysphoria's illusion and delusion to replace it with a sober euphoria. A rushing right down in the presentation, the cosmic presence bestows like morphia, dancing, vibrating, imbibing and eating, warming. Kundalini arises with a bubbling sensation. Presencing is wrapping with its colors and patterns. Beyond even meaning is the good and truth of devotion. Come as a princess to be open to bliss. Come as a queen towards a future intending nothing ill for confession. Come as high priestess to play a unique role in the levels of stratification. Come as the empress to address the cycles of being with a not completely predictable production. Come as strength towards a gentle welcoming of a kingdom. Come as the star to drink the nectar of perfection. Come as the world, and near or far, the possibility clothes what was for the sake of what is best to get done.